Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to make Kori Kohi or iced coffee cube drink, which was popularized by UCC. Since we are still on a lockdown, I thought of making a home version of this drink. Kori Kohi is composed of frozen coffee ice cubes and some warm milk. Some people also prefer adding some sugar syrup. So let's start making this drink. The first ingredient that we need is instant coffee. So I'm using the one from UCC. But of course you can use any brand. And then we also need a container. I'm using the Pyrex glass because it's just easier to pour the mixture into the ice tray later. Let's grab 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules. If you want a stronger coffee taste, I suggest adding more coffee granules. As for me, I feel like I'm okay with just 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Now let's add 1/4 cup of hot water. We just want to dissolve this instant coffee. Using a spoon, let's just give it a mix. And then let's add 3/4 cup of cold water, or you can also use room temperature water. Let's give it another mix. If you don't want to use instant coffee, you can also brew your own coffee using coffee grounds. The proportion of coffee grounds and water will of course be up to you, depending on how strong you want your coffee to be. Your goal is to end up with 1 cup of coffee that you will turn into frozen coffee ice cubes. Now let's grab our ice tray and then let's pour our coffee here. Now let's put this in the freezer. Once the coffee has fully frozen, you can take it out of the ice tray. Alright, so now we can start assembling our drink. Let's transfer the coffee ice cubes into a glass. I'm going to fill my glass with coffee ice cubes. Let's prepare some warm milk. So I use about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of warm milk. It will depend on how much milk you want to add to your drink. So the reason why we are using warm milk is because we want these coffee ice cubes to melt and just mix with the milk. So you can also sweeten this drink by adding some sugar syrup. Or you can simply use white or brown sugar to sweeten this drink. After pouring the milk, I added about 1/2 tablespoon of white sugar and just started mixing. What I like about this drink is that you can adjust it according to your taste. You can adjust the coffee, the type of milk, the sweetener, or you can even add some flavors like hazelnut or caramel. So there you have it, the home version of Kori Kohi. I hope that you enjoyed making this drink. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye!